Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Rohit. Friends, in today's video I am going to show you how we can use the concept of PHP constants. Okay, so what are PHP constants? So a constant is basically identifier whose value cannot be changed during execution of program. That is basically called constant. So while writing program, sometime there is a situation, sometime there is a need, we need to keep certain value fixed and that shouldn't be changed. So in such cases we try to apply the concept of constants. Once constant is created, it can be accessed or referenced by its name. So your constant name should start with underscore or with letter. So there is no requirement of $sign before the constant name. So by default PHP constants having global access means they are available for whole script or they are available for entire PHP program. Then PHP constants can be access and their value can be printed using echo statement. So echo statement can be used for printing constant values. Next thing, constant name should be in capital letters only. This is the general convention for writing constant names. Then constant names are case sensitive by default. So whatever name you have specified while creating constant, same name you need to use while accessing it or while referring it, because constant names are case sensitive. And next, PHP constant name declaration follows same rule like your PHP variable. So let's try to see how to create constant. So there are two ways to create a constant in PHP. First way is called using define function, and second way is called using const keyword. Friends, using these two ways you can create constant within PHP. So first one is define function and second one is const keyword. Now first of all we will try to understand how we can create constant using define function, and then we will understand how we can create constant using const keyword. So first way, using define function. Now in PHP this define function is used for creating constant, and its syntax is like this. Define, and it requires three parameters: name of constant, value of constant, and case insensitive parameter. Okay, so these first two parameters are compulsory, mandatory, and this third one is optional, because by default constant names are case sensitive. So if you don't specify third parameter, it will be treated as a case sensitive. If you want to specify case insensitive constant name, then you will specify its value as a true, so your constant name will be treated as a case insensitive. Now let's try to understand the example how we can create constant using define function. So here I will create one constant using define function. Name of constant is example. As you can see, we are writing our constant name in capital letter. This is the name of constant. Now we will specify the value of constant. Okay, PHP constant example. So friends, in this statement we have defined the constant having name example and having value PHP constant example. Now we can simply access this constant using echo statement like this, echo, and I will write the name of my constant. So this will give you the value PHP constant example. Now I will go to browser and I will type localhost / name of my file axp.php, and you can see the output PHP constant example. Like this we can use constant. Now for example, this is case sensitive constant. Now if I write echo example, now if I try to refresh my page, you can see here it is saying undefined constant example. Now friends, what constant we have created? Example in capital letter. It is case sensitive, and what we are accessing? Example in small letter. That's why it will produce error that undefined constant example, because example is case sensitive. Now we will try to understand second way to create a constant, that is using const keyword. Now in PHP we can use this const keyword for creating constants. So the syntax is like this. Okay, now I will try to show you example of const keyword. So here I will use const and name of my constant, and I will specify the value, and at last we will have semicolon, and again with echo statement I will access this constant like this. So I will save this program and I will go to browser and type localhost / our file name. You can see output PHP constant example. So we can also create constant array here within PHP. So PHP 7 allow to create an array of constants. Okay, so using define function we can create array of constants. So how to create array of constants? Here I will try to show you array of constants in PHP. So this array will consist all constant values. So again I will use define function, and name of constant will be numbers. Okay, and here we will specify numbers here, 1, 2. For example, I have specified these 3 values within my numbers constant array. Now how to access individual value here? So simply we need to refer its index value. So I can write echo and numbers in square bracket I will write 0. So here we will get output 1. If I write statement echo numbers and in square bracket 1, so here we will get output 2. Okay, so like you work with your array, in same way you can also access these constant values. So this is called array of constant. Okay, so numbers is the array of constant value 1, 2, 3, and you can access them like this. Okay, if I go to browser and refresh my web page, you can see you will have output 1 and 2. So like this you can create array of constants in PHP. Now next thing I will try to show you how you can use constant all over within your PHP script, that is global scope of constant. Okay, so here first of all we will create one constant. Let's say constant name is again example and value is PHP constant. Now this example is a global constant because it is available outside of any function and it will be available for whole script. So if I create any function here within PHP script, okay, and within this function if I try to put statement echo example, so it will work and it will give you output PHP constant. Why? Because this is having global scope, so anywhere within PHP script you can refer this constant. So in this example we are referring this global constant within the function and here we are calling our function. So if I save this code and if I refresh here, you can see the output we got PHP constant. So what you understood here, the constants are by default having global scope and can be used within whole script. Now at last within this video I will try to show you use of constant function. So PHP constant function returns the value of constant if the constant is defined, otherwise it returns null. And what it require? It require constant name as a parameter. So let's try to see define, and one constant we will create here, example, and with value PHP constant. Now I will use echo statement for accessing the constant value. So I will write echo followed by constant function, and here we will write the name of our constant, that is example. And if we save this code and if we refresh it, we will have this value. Okay, if I change it like this, constant 1, so you can see here we got the output. Like this we can use this constant function for returning the constant value. Okay friends, like this we can use constant concept within PHP programming. Friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.